OK, house 3, Andy and Deb.
Here we go. The week in one sentence is still mayhem, but achievable.
I'd say very achievable, especially after Andy and Deb stripped down the studio and deleted an ensuite.
No ensuite, mate. There's already 2 bathrooms on this level.
As our coastal couple created a room with unlimited possibilities.
You could use it for a home office, art, dancing, whatever.
It's frugal. Their cost-saving ways didn't stop there, with Andy working hard on the tools.
I think I've found my new business, plastering. Call 1-800-DISASTER PLASTER.
And always sticking to his first trade, entertainment. And let's not forget Deb's styling skills.
Beautiful.
Together, Andy and Deb created a massive room that they believe will blow the judges away.
One more time.
First, Darren will go, "Oh, my God. I love this place." And he'll cry. He'll break down like that.
I have a universe inside me.
Whoa!
Where I can go and spirit guides me.
It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
I can't talk.
When Shayna was finally able to speak, her first words were,
This is stunning.
So this isn't the master suite?
No.
On what earth do you have a bedroom like this that is not the master suite?
In this house.
Wow.
she thinks that this is a room that builds emotion.
It's just so gentle.
You can feel it. It's an engagement that is instant when you walk in. And there are so many buyers that will feel that connection and will be more than prepared to overlook any of the shortcomings. I really believe that. So I applaud this room. I think it's beautiful on every level.
Wow.
Shayna was crying in your room today.
What?
I think it's fair to say that today, in this room particularly, we have 2 emotional judges.
Mm-hmm. Actually, emotional, like teary, like I'm talking.
You are teary.
I am. Yeah. I'm saying it. Yeah. I just think, you know, when a house is built with love, and I think that's what I'm connecting with at the moment. There's something very healing about this interior.
Wow, it's been a long time on the block since a room has literally moved a judge to tears.
Goodness, Scotty.
Goodness. Congratulations, Andy and Deb. Let's see what the other judges thought.
Come pull up a seat.
Yeah.
Get emotional with me.
While Shayna and Neil can be swayed by the emotion of the room, Darren was still determined to be the pragmatic one today.
What Andy and Deb had to do was decide whether to commit and spend their money wisely for the most impact they could possibly get. And I think they've done that in spades because what they've delivered is perfect. However, from a judging point of view, House 1 and House 2 have got more value out of their floor plan than House 3. So that adds another facet to judging today for me.
I totally agree. And I think when we get to the end, that's where all our heads go, because we are all about practicality.
Neil finally got a chance to say something.
Andy and Deb have created a house that takes the buyer on that emotional journey. You walk in, you fall in love with it. It's so beautifully balanced.
Your styling has gone to an even higher level than normal.
Can we just take a few seconds to look at the colour palette in here, how beautiful it is?
This beautiful soft
it's
pink.
Stunning. Neutral doesn't equal boring. And I think this room is a perfect example of that.
I have dark walls in areas in my home, and I'm actually in here going, I think I might change a few walls.
Well, all I can say, Shayna Blaze, is if you are sitting here thinking like this, then that's the mark of a successful room.
That's it.
aesthetically perfect. I can't believe it's in line with the way I am. Just to have the room explained like that.
Yeah, incredible feedback. We are absolutely amazed and, yeah, grateful, really grateful.
We're very grateful.